In this video, I will dive a little deeper into the topic of support and resistance. So first of all, a support is verified if we have at least 2 touches on that zone, right? And if we have a bigger reaction on that zone. What matters is the recent price action, because price is here right now. There's no reason for us to go all the way back like 5 years into the past to spot support and resistance, because usually we will have this over here. When we're looking at price overall, we can see that we did have a form of a support over here. So I will place my first line like this. Now, why did I place it here? Okay, let's go a little to the back and let's see. We did have a reaction over here, which was a resistance. So every time when price was below this range, we saw price breaking down to the downside. Now, once we saw price break above, which we did over here, we broke above, created a new higher high over here. Price came back down, and now once price was above, it rejected and respected as a support. Once we break above like we did here and respect it and come back for a retest and reject, this is now considered a support. So now basically price pushes up, comes back down, rejects once more, comes back down, and now it breaks this support, but almost immediately closes back above. So what this is telling me, that this could be a form of a liquidity grab, or this is an overall demand zone, but price is still bouncing and respecting this range. And now here on the recent price action, we see that price broke under and actually closed under strongly, also closed under these lows here. So here, once we saw this was an actual break of structure to the downside, right? Now we had a retest, so we basically had a break under support, retest acting as a resistance, and now price broke back above because it didn't close back under and continue to the downside. We broke back above support and are currently above support. So what is this telling us? This is telling us that this support has been holding here because we came back above and rejected already and respected, and now something that once was a resistance has now turned into a support. So just to keep in mind for you, as long as price maintains above our support, we should mainly only be looking for buys, especially if price should come back down, retest this support and reject it once more. Here's where you want to take advantage of a continuation in buys to the upside. Now, what is the other way around? Okay, price comes back down, closes with a strong bearish candle, comes back up for a retest, rejects with a rejection candle or whatever, and now you can take advantage of sells to the downside.